Ever heard of the world's largest and smelliest flower? Meet Rafflesia arnoldi, the most mind-blowing bloom you'll ever encounter. This giant flower can grow over 1 meter in diameter and weigh up to 11 kilograms. But here's the crazy part. It smells like rotting flesh. Therefore, it's known as the corpse flower. The stench attracts flies, which help pollinate this unusual plant. Imagine walking through the jungle and stumbling upon this behemoth. Want to uncover more bizarre nature wonders? Hit that subscribe button and tell us in the comments which plant you want to explore next.